I hope to reach some level of understanding between Israelis, Palestinians, Spaniards on basic issues regarding the conflict. I hope we'll be able to reach some sort of resolution and bring it forward afterwards. Our organization represents 90 organizations, local organizations, Israelis and Palestinians, that work on the ground to build peace every day. Some of them work on human rights issues, some others on legal rights, others do more dialogue and people-to-people's work, others put pressure on governments. And I think I have a broad perspective, being familiar with the work of all of these organizations, to bring forward to this forum that shares the views of civil society about the current situations, about ideas of how to move forward closer to peace.